Hello guys, hope you guys are doing absolutely well. Today we'll discuss about some interesting stuffs. Any guesses? Okay, today we'll discuss about how to make emoji and symbol using HTML. Interesting, right? So let's start coding. But again, before starting, one small request. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and set notification to all. And also share this video with your friends. So let's jump into editor. Okay, today we'll talk about icons and emoji. We have to use some predefined hash code to draw the icon and emoji. Okay, let's examine with an example. So first make a new HTML document. Now we add some paragraph stuff within it. So here we write the paragraph. Okay, let's run it once and see the outcome. Okay, now look at the output. No symbol is present within it. Now we add some symbol within it like copyright, register, ampersand, and dollar sign. Okay, now let's add them. First, add ampersand in place of and. And for that, we use ampersand AMP semicolon or ampersand hash 38 semicolon. Then we add euro sign in place of rupees. For that, we use ampersand euro semicolon or ampersand hash 8364 semicolon. Now for copyright sign in place of copyright, for that we use ampersand copy semicolon or ampersand hash 169. And lastly, register sign. For that, we use ampersand reg semicolon or ampersand hash 174. Okay, now we are done with code. Save it and open it in browser. So yes, that's the output. Look at the icons present within the document. We also have many icons there. So here is the list of icons that are present in HTML. We provide the picture in description below. Okay, now we are done with icons. So let's test some emojis. For that, we already prepare a conversation, and after each line we add some emoji. Okay, first save the conversation and visit it once in browser. Okay, that's how our output looks like. Now add some emojis. So we will see the list of emojis. So here is the list of emojis. We put the link in description. Here we use smiley, love and laughter emoji. Actually, I don't know the name of the other emojis. Okay, so jokes apart, let's add these emojis. For love, we add ampersand hash 128151 semicolon. For smiley, we add ampersand hash 128512 semicolon. For laughter, we add ampersand hash 128514 semicolon. So save the document and run it in browser. So yes, guys, we are done with it. Look at the emojis appear at the end of the sentence. So that's all for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please share with your friends that may help us to develop more and more. And the codes are there below in the description. To follow us on Facebook and Insta, join our page links that are given below. Okay, so goodbye, stay safe and keep coding.